Divorce and comfort food. My name is Dr. Amy Botwinick with WomenMovingOn.com, and this is for Divorce360.com. It's so hard right now with the holidays. There's cookies and cakes, and you have a little eggnog and some extra wine, and all of a sudden, the pounds just start coming on. And when you're going through the process of divorce, wherever you are in that process, before, during, or after, you have to stay sharp. You have to be really solid, mind, body, spirit. And it's so easy to just climb into comfort food. I remember I was depressed and I would have Chubby Hubby at night. What is that? The Garcia brothers. At night, watching Lifetime television at 11 o'clock at night, eating ice cream, a pint in my bed, because I was feeling sorry for myself, and it was there, and I just really turned into a little chunky monkey before I knew it. So while it's okay to indulge this holiday season, make sure you don't jump off the deep end with this, because it's really easy to find comfort when we're really stressed out in ways that are not going to really serve us. And food during the holidays is a huge one, especially for chicks, the chocolate. It's okay to have a little bit, but just watch it. And really the best thing you can do is, it's okay to eat and enjoy everything, but make sure you incorporate exercise in your life now. Especially now, because you have a lot going on, a lot of stress to deal with. And if you wind up getting to the point where you're gaining weight and you're not stretching your body and your muscles, it's going to start to affect how you physically feel, and it's also going to hurt your self-esteem. And you need to be strong and solid and sharp. And to do that requires some effort. So while it's great to indulge in the holiday season, try to get out there and do something at least 3 times a day, some form of exercise. You'll feel so much better about yourself. And you know what? If you have that piece of chocolate cake or that fruit cake, it's okay. Just, a few hours after you've had time to digest, go take a bike ride. Go take a walk with your dog. Get in the gym and do something physical and sweat it out. You will feel amazing. So just remember, it's important to stay divorce fit while you're going through this, and even beyond, because exercise should be a part of your life all the time. My name is Dr. Amy Botwinick with WomenMovingOn.com, and this is for Divorce360.com.